Human brain contains 86 billion neurons with 16 billion neurons in the cerebrocortex. Hi students, today's topic is about nervous system. So as we all know that human body is a machine, so it can function and perform various activities, everyday's routine, and all these are controlled under the will of the brain. So nervous system controls the body functions. Human body is controlled by the nervous system. As we all know that brain is the master organ. So this brain which gives orders for the parts of the body to perform certain functions, we call that as voluntary actions. So the voluntary actions are under the control of the will of the body of a living organism, and the actions which are not under the control, we call that as involuntary actions, that is not under the control of the will of the person. So it works continuously. Now let us take example. We want to play football. So the muscular system, that is with the hands and the legs, so we use that to play any of the games. We want to play football, so we hit the ball with our legs. So the muscles and the bones of the legs work together, coordinate together and make us to play the game. Similarly, even in our body also, there are certain actions which are under the control of the will of the person is called as voluntary actions, and which are not under the will of the person is called as involuntary actions. So examples for involuntary actions: heartbeat and respiration. These actions are not under the control of the organ. So they work continuously, restlessly, without any fatigue. So these type of actions are called as involuntary actions. Brain is the master organ in the nervous system. Brain and spinal cord are the ones which communicate and send impulses to all the parts of the body. So this brain, the composition, what it is made up of? It is made up of nerve cells and the blood capillaries, which we call it as grey matter. Nerve cells and the blood capillaries, or is called as grey matter, is situated in the periphery of the brain. And the myelinated axons with the fatty sheets are present in the white matter. The nerves which originate from the brain is called as cranial nerves. So these cranial nerves are 12 pairs. So we can say that there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. The nerves which originate from the spinal cord is called as spinal nerves. They are 31 pairs. So we can say that there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. So we conclude that there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves arising from the brain and 31 pairs of spinal nerves, that is from the spinal cord. Human brain contains 86 billion neurons with 16 billion neurons in the cerebrocortex.